Here it is. TR. Oh wow, that works. Oh, is that in each like open?
It's pretty slow.
Right.
It's leveling. Yeah.
It was daylight, we'd go up on a roof.
Open door.
That's where the helicopter went.
Very light gate.
Yeah, they put a little.
Look at this. All right, Jake, can you hold? All right.
Oh, okay.
Here, Grandma, can you? Here, Jake, out. Here, I got it.
Through the roof.
Oh,
They missed the
really?
landing.
Yeah.
Oh,
And they had to-
that's coming off
Yeah, they
the.
had to pay to fix it.
I've never been on a freight elevator before.
Grandma rode the one. Jason had. All right, start by going down the one.
These are like ancient. We're
Yeah.
actually going down.
Oh. Right. The one when it couldn't open. All right, let's go 2F.
Yeah. Yeah, these are, primitive.
Yeah.
You gotta watch your hands, people
Yeah.
have their hands smashed in them.
Oh, yeah. Keep hands inside.
Yeah, these are basically for freight.
Right.
These ain't passenger elevators.
Yeah.
It says right there.
Right.
All right, can you hold my camera? From the way it sounds, it says on the freight elevators can ride it. Oh, right up here, look.
Wow, we're outside.
Here's the car. There's that. Yeah.